Combo number 5. Here we go. Starting with the witch spin, then going into a booty swing, and from there, flamingo with the reach. Now, let's break it down. Starting with the witch spin, you want to put your strong arm on top. In my case, it's my right arm. Your left arm will be a little bit lower into the half bracket grip. And instead of facing forward as you travel around the pole, you're going to face towards the pole. Be sure to have your wrist a little bit lower than your elbow in order to push yourself away from the pole as you spin. The top arm is basically pulling and the bottom arm is pushing. Now, in order to do the witch spin, you want to connect with your knee and pull back with the feet, almost as if you want to connect your heel to your bum on both sides. Let's just do the spin by itself. Step inside leg, kick, lift the legs, and then put it down. When you're doing the witch spin, be sure not to confuse it with the standing spin, where the feet will also connect with the pole. Witch spin, only connect with the knees. Now, you want to use the momentum of the witch spin to go into the booty swing. Let's demonstrate. Kick, spin, put down the feet, and then swing the bum from the right to the left. Use your right leg or inside leg to step through behind the pole, turn all the way, and connect with the left leg for a flamingo. I've got my knee on the one side, and I've got the heel of the foot hooking on the other side. From there, I'm simply going to reach to the back, still holding on to the pole for extra grip. Be sure to practice each step separately before you put them into the combo. Have fun.